Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at this pre-owned 2017 Gray Wolf 26DBH. We'll start off right here on the front of the unit. As you can see, you do have a large storage space. I'll go ahead and take you around to the driver's side of the unit so you can see it does have one slide. On the outside of that slide, you do have some storage space here. And at the back of the unit, you do get quite a bit more storage space. It does have a luggage rack. On this side, you can see it does have two entries, one into the bathroom, one into the main living space. It does have a large lighted and power awning along with outdoor speakers, TV mount, cable and satellite hookups, and an outlet. Then right here you can see it does have an outdoor kitchen, so you get the 2-burner Suburban stovetop, a wash basin sink, and a cube refrigerator. Let's go ahead and get a look inside. So right at the front of the unit you can see that this is your bedroom. So you get a mirrored closet on each side of the bed along with outlets. So if you need medical equipment or you need to charge your phone, you can do that right here at the bed. So here's your mirrored closets and your cabinets up top. Right outside of the bedroom is your entertainment center. So as you can see, you do get some cabinet space along with a PreOwned radio and a Sony TV. As I mentioned, this unit does have one slide. On that slide, you do get a jackknife sofa. So this will fold out into a bed. Excuse me. Over here is a cafe style dinette or U-shaped booth. And it does have the ultra deep drawers that extend to the back of the dinette. And there's also storage in the middle seat. And it will all fold down into a bed. Back here you do get 2 double bunks with the ladder access and curtains to close it off. Over here is your bathroom. So as you can see, you do have a vanity and medicine cabinet. Your second entry, of course your toilet, and your shower here. Now your shower does have a skylight overhead that offers a little more headroom, and it does have a bathtub. So if you have small children, this is a great option for you. Right outside of your bathroom is your pantry. So as you can see, it is a nice large pantry. You've got a Norcold refrigerator and freezer. Over here is a PreOwned microwave. And below that, you do get a 3-burner Suburban stovetop and oven. And then a large single basin sink with the pull-down sprayer. And it does have a sink cover here that offers a little more counter space. If you'd like to see this unit in person or any of the other great options we have available for sale here at Tri-State RV, come out and see us in Anna, Illinois, or visit us online at www.tristaterv.com.